Hi, I'm Kimberly from the Worcester branch of the Wayne County Public Library Adult Department, and I'm here today to show you how to make a honey coconut lavender balm. And what we need today is coconut oil, beeswax pellets, honey, and lavender. And we're going to start by putting the coconut. We're going to measure it. It's a half a cup. And we're going to put it in our little measuring scoop and stick it in our Pyrex container. Okay, and now I'm going to put the half a cup of coconut oil in my nice little trusty Pyrex bowl here. Little measuring cup. And then I'm going to add the beeswax to it. And you're going to add 2 tablespoons of beeswax. You can buy these little beeswax pellets, or you can buy it in a block and shred it yourself. I like the little pellets because it is just easier to take care of. Okay, now we're going to microwave. And you can do this by microwave, or you can do this by putting a little container inside some water and putting it on your stove. But I like to put it in the microwave. So we're going to microwave it now. And we're just going to microwave it until it's melted. You'll want to do short bursts of about 30 seconds and keep stirring it. And then when it's completely melted, we'll add the other ingredients to it. Okay, now we are going to take our honey and we are going to stir in 2 tablespoons of honey. And we're going to stir this for 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, once you're done stirring for 3 minutes, you're going to want to let it sit for 5 minutes so that it starts to solidify. Okay, once it's done sitting for 5 minutes, you're going to want to stir it for some more minutes, probably about 3 or 4 more. And you do that because you don't want the honey to separate from the rest of the balm. So we're going to stir it some more here. Okay, now that we're done stirring it, we're going to add our essential oil, and that's lavender in this case. You can add other scents as long as they're skin friendly, and just put as much in as you like to smell. If you put just a little, it'll still smell like coconut pretty strongly. You have to put in several drops to get it to smell more like lavender. And we're going to mix that together. Then we're going to pour it in. I've got this nice little glass jar that's a little canning jar. You can pour it, you may be spooning it depending on how much it's thickened at that point. We're going to put that in. And then just let it get thick and solid. And then you can start using it on your skin. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you have a wonderful day.